Here we have that old Harbor Freight Bunker Hill solar security light. Funny how when the battery goes dead, because the solar panel, for whatever, anyways, it's very old. When the battery goes dead, Harbor Freight is not there to sell me a battery, but lo and behold, someone makes a battery for this, and guess who sells it online? Well, they even specify, here, take a look right here, 6-volt battery for the Harbor Freight solar light. Classic. $11.99 free shipping. Now if you go and buy a new one of these, it says the specs say it's 3.7 volts and not 6 volts, so it probably doesn't last as long. Not as good a quality, so they went a little down in quality, I imagine. But this light actually worked good. I've praised it in the past. Battery's dead. This 15 volt pack just isn't going to fit in this small little enclosure. But good for them. They put a plug on the battery. You don't have to be a fix-it person to take 4 Phillips screws out, unplug this, and buy a new one from Walmart. So the battery's on the way. Good looking out, Harbor Freight and Walmart. What a team.